In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable drawing panels in TradingView. Let's get started right from the main TradingView chart screen. Make sure you're already logged into your TradingView account and you can see any chart in front of you. It doesn't matter which market or symbol you're looking at. The layout and settings we'll use are the same across all charts. First, look toward the top right corner of your TradingView window. You should see a small profile icon there. This icon usually represents your account and is where many of your personal and chart-related settings are kept. Move your mouse to that top right area and click once on the profile icon. When you do this, a menu will open, revealing different options related to your profile and platform preferences. Once that menu is open, take a moment to scan through the available options. What you're looking for is a setting called Drawing Panels. Depending on your screen size and any updates TradingView may have rolled out, this option might appear in a list of interface or chart settings, but it will clearly be labeled as Drawing Panels. Now, find the toggle switch next to Drawing Panels. It will either be turned off or on. If Drawing Panels are currently disabled, the toggle will look like it's in the off position. Go ahead and click the toggle to turn it on. When it's enabled, the switch should change color or position to indicate that Drawing Panels are now active. As soon as you turn this on, you should notice a change in your chart interface. The drawing tools will become more organized, usually appearing in dedicated panels that are easier to access. This makes it much simpler to quickly choose tools like trend lines, rectangles, text, or other annotations without having to dig through menus every time. If you don't see the change right away, try clicking back on the chart area, or slightly resizing your browser window so the layout refreshes. Also, remember that these settings are generally tied to your account, so the drawing panels should stay enabled even when you switch charts or symbols. That's all you need to do. By clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and toggling on the drawing panels option, you've streamlined your TradingView workspace and made your charting process more efficient.